up, guys? I'm headed to Whataburger right now. I just got a text from my sister that like her friends like all want to ride or something. I don't know. He added me back on Snapchat. We're gonna go rip, I guess. So yeah, I don't know. This is my first time out since SBK. I mean, moto vlogging at least. It's been like 2 weeks almost. Been stuck inside the house, quarantined, editing away for pretty much the entire past 2 weeks. Been riding the Z all the time now. I need to get back on the 450. I need to put more work on this thing. It's just been raining and like kind of crappy weather until now. Now it's like perfect out. Today is literally perfect. It's a little windy, but whatever. We got a CBR 1000 with us, a Husqvarna 701. Ooh, that thing's fresh though. Hitting these corners, boys. Oh my goodness. We are freaking street Rosses out here. Yeah, get it. Oh. Man, these cars are just slowing us down right now. Yeah. It is so freaking nice out today. It's like cloud cover, so it's not too hot. Is this bike like backfiring? What? That thing needs to be fixed, bro. Listen to it. Oh my god. Man, that thing's running rough, boy. Oh man, it's dead. Is it the carb? Yeah. Just gunked up and. Yeah, that's Alright, gonna roll with that. Oh, it's still coughing. It's got it though, it's moving. Wow, they built that building really. Ow! Mosquito just hit me in the eye. Man, everybody else just ditched us. This kid's got terrible riding friends. Oh snap, he's going for it though. He's doing a opposite knee knocker. That's a first. Oh, killing it, boy. Gunshot. snap, he's going off-roading, all right. Sick, dual sports for the win. Yo, let's go. Let's go. No. Oh, you do? Yeah. You want to stop there? What's that, bro? You want Xbox Live chat? Whoa, okay. Thanks for the warning. Woo, thanks for the warning again. All right, we're back on the road. That kid's not riding. He's gonna keep playing Modern Warfare or something. I'm not sure. It smells like cilantro out here. What? Why are we going down my ex-girlfriend's street, bruh? Why are we looking at my ex-girlfriend's house, bruh? Oh my god, he's pointing at my ex-girlfriend's house, bruh. Woo woo. Woo. A sick little ride, perfect day out, just enjoying the weather outside of the house while still remaining safe. I hope all you guys are staying safe during these weird times, and hope you guys have a good one. Peace.